Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Christopher Martin honored by the City of New York. In a recent Instagram post, the singer revealed that the City of New York has officially declared August 9 as Christopher Martin Day. The announcement was made at the annual Jamaican Independence Foundation of New York City, the official People's Ball, celebrating Jamaica's 63rd independence.
The office of the Mayor of the City of New York, Saturday, August 9, 2026, do hereby confer the citation on Christopher Martin today, officially being Christopher Martin Day in the City of New York. Woo!
Martin was also named a 2025 honoree and ambassador and innovator in reggae music. He was presented with a citation from the House of Representatives signed by Congresswoman Yvette D. Clarke. He was also bestowed a proclamation on behalf of the office of Senator Kevin S. Parker.
To say that I'm blessed is an understatement, and every chance I get, I try to let people know that the Almighty is there in my life at all times. So anything that's happening for me is not my will, it says so. To my mother and my father, to my entire family, to my friends, to everyone who's sharing this system, I'm a walking living testament that you can do anything you put your mind to. You understand? And for anybody who has a dream, anybody who has anything they're working towards, if I can do it, anybody can do it. If I can lead back past and be who you are today, accepting these wonderful awards, anybody can do it, man. I'm so blessed.
Shenseea looking to create history with MTV Video Music Awards win. The Shenyang boss has secured her second MTV VMA nomination for the track Shake It to the Max with Ghanaian singer Molly featuring Skillibeng. The international crossover DJ earned a nomination in the category of Best Afrobeats. In a video posted to social media, the DJ pleaded with fans to support her by voting.
Up today and I got nominated for my second VMA Awards. Amazing. And I actually hope we win because I just feel like the culture deserves this, you know? Like, for us to win a VMA, you guys have to go and vote, really and truly. That's all it comes down to because funds are for vote. But vote for Shake It to the Max so we can win because I feel like this one is ours.
According to World Music Views, the nomination makes Shenseea the first Jamaican female artist to receive 2 VMA nods. Bounty Killer is the only Jamaican to have won a VMA. In 2002, he secured the award for Best Pop Video and Best Group Video for Hey Baby by No Doubt, on which he was featured. Now on the international scene, the number 2 movie at the weekend box office was Disney's Freakier Friday, which opened with 29 million. Disney released Freakier Friday as a follow-up to the hit 2003 film Freaky Friday, bringing back original stars Jamie Lee Curtis and Lindsay Lohan as a mother and daughter who trade places.
Who am I? It's me. It's Mom. If you're me and I'm you, then who's that? I'm Grandma, sweetheart. Yeah!
That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.